Hello everyone, welcome back to this series of Android Hilt. And in this video, this is our part 2. And in this video, we are going to see what is constructor injection. So let's get started. So we can set up our hilt in our project, and now I'm create a package. So I'm going to give this di name to our directory, and within this directory I'm going to create a class. So my class is car class, and here I use this constructor injection. So this annotation at inject is used before constructor. Okay, so this is our constructor injection, and we are going to create two more classes. So first is our first dependency of our car class, which is wheel, and I am going to inject this wheel class, and third I am going to create a engine class. Fine, so I am going to create a wheel object in this car and a engine. So this car is basically dependent this wheel and this engine. Okay, and this wheel constructor is depend on nothing, means this wheel class does not depend anything. So similarly for this our engine, actually hilt 2, it will simply create this car class for our project. So let's see how it can create. Okay, so for creating this we are going to use this at the rate Android entry point, which is a annotation provided by hilt. So what it will do, it will represent the class which is intended to perform some injection. Okay, so that's why we use this add Android entry point. So I'm create a let init variable which is of type car, and I'm going to inject this. Okay, so our hilt will provide this car class, or you can say create an instance of this car class, and within our car I'm going to create a function so that we can see. So function make toast in car, and I'm going to pass context. Okay, so this is our function within a car class, and fine. So if our injection, or you can say hilt, will create this car class instance successfully, then we can see the toast. So let's run this. Okay, you can see here in car class. So that means our hilt will successfully create this car instance, and by using this car instance we can simply use this make toast in car function, which will simply create a toast. Fine. Just recapitulate what we learned in this section. So in this section we are simply create this car class. So car have basically two dependencies, wheel and engine. So this is our wheel class, this is our engine. Okay, so in our main activity we simply annotate it with Android entry point, which will intend, it will represent that this main activity class is intended to perform injection. So after that it will inject this car class. So our hilt will simply provide a instance of this car class, and by using this car class I'm going to make this toast. Okay, so that's all we learn in this video. So this is what we call constructor injection, and in our next video we'll see what is the problem with this constructor injection and how to solve that problem. Okay, thank you.